Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 4, The Formation of the Worlds. There are as many of these and others as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds. Then, to reiterate, universally good looked over the 10 directions by the power of the Buddha invested in him and said, "The adornments of all oceans of worlds are born from countless techniques, vows, and powers. All the oceans of lands always shine, produced by the power of countless pure deeds. Forever associating with good teachers, together with doing good works all pure, with great compassion extending to all beings, thereby are world oceans adorned." Concentration on all the teachings, meditation, liberation, and skill in means are all purified with the Buddha. Thus are the world oceans born. Developing boundless certainty, able to understand like the Buddha, having purified patience and skill in means, thus can boundless lands be purified. Cultivating supreme practices to aid sentient beings, virtue great and always growing, like clouds spreading as far as space, thus are world oceans perfected. The transcending means are infinite, many as beings. All have the Buddha's practice to perfection. Transcendent vow-taking has no end. Pure world oceans are born from here. Purely practicing all peerless truths, developing boundless, liberating practices, edifying beings by various means, thus are beautified oceans of worlds. Practicing techniques of adornment, entering the ocean of teachings of enlightened virtues, causing all beings to dry up the source of suffering. Thus are vast lands perfected. The ocean of powers is peerlessly great, causing all beings to plant roots of good, making offerings to all the enlightened. Thus are boundless lands all purified. Then universally good address the masses again. Buddha children, know that in each ocean of worlds there are differences in the manifestation of the Buddhas, as many as atomic particles in an ocean of worlds. That is, some manifest small bodies, some large bodies, some manifest short lives, some long lives, some only adorn and purify a single Buddha land.